Pinning a location on Apple Map is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is open up the map apps on your phone. Now once you open it up, we're going to look for the address that we want to pin. Once you find the address, usually I like to advise to keep opening up, zooming into the address till you find the exact building that you want to add. This is a Greenland, so let's find somewhere. Yeah, so let's find somewhere with a neighborhood. Now, now you can see in Lovington we had different neighborhoods, but we want to pinpoint the exact place that we want to pin. We have Baja Grill here. Now what we can do is we can rest our hands on a part of it for a few seconds, and we're going to see the pin. Now once we click here, we can come here like this, and we have another pin here. Now since we have this pin on this address, what we're going to do is we're going to open this dialog box at the bottom, and once we open it, you can see it's marked, it stated the address of the place, and when we look down, we can see it says pin. Now we're going to click on the pin button. Now you have successfully pinned your address to your Apple Map. Now it's also advisable to add a few notes to the pinned address so you don't forget what the address is to you. So you can write best take ever, for example, and you click on it. Now once you close this pin, you can see a pin on it. Now once you come to search maps and you close up the search dialog box, you can see places. You're going to click on places, and you can even see recent, but let's click on places. Now you can see your recently added places, and even when you click on pinned, you can see your pinned places here. Now that's how to pin location on Apple Maps. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.